everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video, I will show you how you can easily link your Twitch account to your Discord account. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end, and now let's get started. Alright, so first of all, you just have to log into the Discord app. And then you have to tap the three lines at the top left corner. Now at the bottom right, you will see the Discord icon. So simply press that. And this will take you to the settings section, where you will see this option under user settings, connections. So you have to press connections. And here, as you can see, currently my Discord account is linked to my Spotify account. Now in case if you want to link it to Twitch account as well, simply tap add at the top right corner. And this will give you a few options, a few social media platforms to which you can connect your Discord account. So you simply have to tap Twitch, and this will direct you to the login page of Twitch. Now here you simply have to log into it. Once you log into your Twitch account, you will need to do the verification first. And after that, you will be sent a 6-digit code on your registered email address of your Twitch account. Alright, so you have to log into the email address that you have linked to your Twitch account, and you will receive a 6-digit verification code that you have to enter right here. So this will happen if you are trying to log into your account using a new device. Once you are done entering the login code, it will automatically verify you, and it will ask you for some permissions that Discord wants to access your account. So you can go through it and simply tap authorize. So yeah, that's all you need to do to connect your Twitch account to your Discord account. And this is a notification that you will see once you are done with the process. So that was all for this topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you have any doubts, queries, feedback or suggestions for my next video, do let me know in the comment section down below. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.